The preposition in is a very common preposition which functions as a preposition of time and place and has various meanings and uses which this video deals with in great details. This video covers the different meanings of the preposition in, the different uses of the preposition in as a preposition of time, and in as a preposition of place. But before you learn the different uses of the preposition in with examples, you need to once go through the various meanings of it. Mastering the different meanings of the preposition in helps you clearly understand a statement containing the preposition in. Different meanings of the preposition in. The preposition in is used to express a variety of meanings, such as inside something or some place, part of something, before the end of some time, during some period of time, etc. Here are the 10 meanings of the preposition in with example sentences. Number 1. Inside something or some place. The preposition in is used to express the meaning that something or someone is inside something or some place. Examples: there is little water in the bottle. She is in Delhi. Number 2. During part or all of a period of time. The preposition in is used to convey the meaning that something happens or is done during part or all of a period of time. Examples: we will visit India in April. We will go to England in 2025. I used to go to gym in the summer season. Number 3. Before the end of a particular amount of time. The preposition in is used to indicate that something happens or is done before the end of a particular amount of time. Examples: I'll finish writing this book in 3 months. Call me in 5 minutes. Submit your homework in a week. Number 4. Part of something. The preposition in is used to show that something is part of something else. Examples: look at the man in the picture. Correct the grammatical errors in the article. Number 5. Involvement in a particular job. The preposition in is used to imply that someone is involved in some certain job or career. Examples: John made a career in journalism. She wants to make a career in politics. Number 6. Attached to a particular subject or field of study. The preposition in is used to show that something is connected with a certain subject or field of study. Examples: I want to earn a degree in English literature. There is recently been a significant advancement in artificial intelligence. Number 7. Wearing a particular clothes. The preposition in is used to suggest that someone is wearing some particular clothes. Examples: have you seen the woman in red saree? The man in blue suit is your teacher. Number 8. Expressed in a particular manner. The preposition in is used to state that something has been expressed or written in a particular language or a particular way. Examples: John spoke to me in French. He wrote in blue ink. Number 9. Arranged in a certain way. The preposition in is used to show that something or someone is arranged in a particular way. Examples: the students sat down in a circle. The words are arranged in alphabetical order. Number 10. Showing a state of being, mood or emotion. The preposition in is used to express the fact that someone is in a bad mood or something is in a terrible condition. Examples: the phone is in a bad condition. The laptop is in a terrible state. She is in a bad mood. Now learn the different uses of the preposition in with examples. Different uses of the preposition in. Number 1. In is used for space and place. Examples: they are in the classroom. The cat is in the box. Sophia is in the house. Number 2. In is used for territories and countries. Examples: we live in India. The philosophers in the West are well known. No one in the world is perfect. Number 3. In is used for water bodies. Examples: fish lives in the sea. There is a lot of salt in the ocean. We used to swim in the lake. Number 4. In is used for parts of days. Examples: I'll be there in 2 minutes. You'll be back in 3 hours. We have breakfast, lunch, or dinner in the morning, afternoon, or evening. Number 5. In is used for parts of months. Examples: you have to return in 5 days. Submit your homework in 2 weeks. Number 6. In is used for parts of years. Examples: I'll go to my house in January. The sessional exam will be conducted in April. Number 7. In is used for seasons of the year. Examples: should we visit Zurich in summer or winter? Should I visit your home in spring or autumn? Number 8. In is used for years and centuries. Examples: she was born in 1999. Sophia became popular in the 1990s. This book was written in the 20th century. In as a preposition of place. Examples: he was in Mumbai at that time. The students are playing in the park. He'll be in his office now. You can meet me in my chamber. The Department of English is in the Faculty of Arts. In as a preposition of time. Examples: I'll be with you in an hour. You have to finish reading this novel in 1 week. You can learn only the basics of English grammar in 3 months. The students will earn their undergraduate degrees in 4 years. We can learn to speak English in a year.